Bye-bye, my solo. I'm gonna miss you. See you all my fellow teachers. Sir Cervantes, my all classmate, all advisor. Miss you.
I'm ML player.
Bye guys. See you next year.
Di na tayo makakamali dahil wala nang bukas. Sulitin natin ito na lakas. Kailangan na yata natin umuwi. Hawakan mo ang ako'y kamay. Pagkakay maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay. Lahat-lahat.
Ay, oo nga.
Minsan na rin. Di na tayo
Nakakogar.
magkakamali. Dahil wala nang bukas. Sulitin natin ito na ang wakas. Kailangan na yata natin umuwi. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay.
Bye!
Uy, video namin sa dito. May dito.
Bigyan niyo yung room. Ay, picturean niyo yung room ng walang tao. Ay, yung edit ko yung nasa, yung ano, di ba? Dapat hindi naman nangyari yung, hindi naman natin yung video ng mga tao.
Dati kayong sena.
Wala eh. Uy, kasi nga lang yung picture ko yan. Ay, love na nga pala ako. Tayo po. Ay, mami. Anong masasabi mo? Nauwi ka na?
Miss Lamor solo. Tama na, ayoko na.
Ikaw? Ano?
Miss namin to ang solo to. Mag-iitig ka namin.
Guys, coming the story. The two of this cure and the all and the inside the you there's nothing.
Goodbye ako solo. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
I'm gonna miss this is my favorite spot of all time. Paling pangalawa, paling pangalawa. Not favorite person ba? And this is this is I can play it si may Amya. And of course this is all. This is a very
Dito ka, dito ka. Gusto niya eh. Dito ka. Okay, saan ka sa amin?
20 pa.
And this is my book, all my books. Of course, this is my lunchbox.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, what the fuck? Hey, may lightning.
Siyempre, of course, this is the first lecture of all time. And the first song, and the starting of the class, this is my first chair.
This is my first chair. Ako dito talaga ako.
First chair.
Ako dito.
First chair. Last day. Of course, I'm gonna miss the cleaners. Cleaners. Cleaning. Here's this. I'm gonna miss this all and this whole year is not complete like this. The sample, aspect, and the sample of course was ano yung pinag natin? And this is of course, this is the best. Okay, ito. Ay, ayun ba? Ano ba ito? What is this? Written. Written. Ito yung ano, isa. This one.
This one.
And of course, all of this bottle that we use to drink.
Yes, yes. This is the bottles of the water bottles na nanggaling pa sa next year.
Sa last year, school year, also, all president, medical, all classmates,
Vice President, Secretary, Treasurer, all of the documents. I'm gonna miss you, but you know, I'm gonna say it, but you can feel it. It's all the flag of us. Tamar Sala, this is what we used for cheer dance way back in 2019.
2019.
Favorite color, violet, you know, Mark.
Why are we?
And of course, my bike, of course.
My bag.
Next year, I'm not gonna use this because I'm gonna buy new. You know, it's broken, you know. So, I'm gonna use this.
Let's see.
Group of Gerso.
And my favorite shirt, this is Young Happy After we wash our face to the CR, we're gonna go to this and this. Gonna dehydrate and gonna.
This is our territory.
I wish you all the best,
Although
guys.
interview
Then
lang
I'm Marsala, all the officers, all of my classmates, that we don't talk. You know, even if we don't talk here, even if we talk here, you know, I'm gonna miss you guys so much. I can say it, but you know. Bye, guys. Bye, Marsala. Bye, bye.
Punong-puno ko ng video ni Mario.
Guys, talaga tayo next.
Send ko to sa
Wala, absent. Absent ngayon eh, sorry.
Bye, Bulacan! Bye, Kawayan!
This my first classmate in my Kawayan.
Si German, alis na yun. Gerson, tumakulit niya ako. Ito seryoso to. Ito na yung pinakahuling yung nating apak dito sa room natin eh.
Grupag! Grupag!
Kasi,
Grupag! Grupag!
pare daw din sakit.
Abang nag-ML si Jerry.
Talaga. Sabi, seryoso. Hindi na naman nila
Nawala ang aking my fight. Nawala ang aking.
Huwag kayong mag-iingay tapos imagine nyo naka-official natin eh.
Look! Uy!
Baka next week na lang kakaklase kaya kaya dapat sulitin na natin to kasi sa next year hindi na tayo magkakaklase. Hindi naman tayo banding wala naman.
Oy!
Diyan yung mga tinta niya, yung mga tinta.
Ayan po.
My all signature
Sa likod. Ay, picture lang kita, katulad ng ginawa ko kay Bag.
Takpe. Ito. Tara, kainin mo yung challenge. Jason, ano mo, page ko?
Kanina yan.